Hey, welcome to episode 160 of Credit 101. In this episode, we're going to talk about how soon can you get a credit card after you file bankruptcy. Now, the timing is honestly going to be depending on the bankruptcy that you're going to file. So let's actually talk about that. If you guys file Chapter 7 bankruptcy, usually you can get credit cards immediately after your discharge. I see a lot of people saying that they're able to get like they had Capital One, they included them in their bankruptcy, and Capital One gave them another credit card once their bankruptcy was discharged, like literally. Now, usually it's going to take about 3 to 6 months after you file for your bankruptcy for it to be discharged. But you should be able to get credit cards immediately. You also can get credit cards immediately after Chapter 13 bankruptcy. I believe you do have to ask for approval to apply for anything when you're in Chapter 13 bankruptcy. Ask, because I just cannot be the one to tell you that. But I have seen people, and you know what? When I found Chapter 13 bankruptcy, mine was dismissed. So I guess I can talk. I filed for, after I did Chapter 13 bankruptcy, I didn't go through with my bankruptcy. It was dismissed. But after I filed for it, I got credit cards right away, and my credit scores went up to the 700s. Even myself, in less than 6 months after Chapter 13 bankruptcy, because I usually say wait a year after filing. And I did a lot of research on this. My notes is even telling me to tell you that right now because that's what my research says. But I did not wait that year. So let me just throw that out there. But those were mostly, they were all secured debts. And when you file Chapter 7 bankruptcy, you should be able to get unsecured debts, but understand that it may be better for you to apply for secured debts because you can possibly have like no annual fees. When we're going to talk about this, in the next one, let's start talking about it. The different types of credit cards you might qualify for. So you guys can qualify for secured credit cards. You may have a decent chance of getting retail credit cards, like store credit cards. A lot of the credit cards is going to be subprime credit cards. These credit cards are designed for individuals with poor history, those that's looking to rebuild their credit, but they got horrible annual fees. If you see maintenance fees, these are the things you want to stay away from. Okay, and these debts also can be unsecured credit cards. We don't have to put a deposit down, but understand that your credit is probably messed up, honestly, right after you file bankruptcy. You have not worked to try to remove the bankruptcy. You you didn't try to work to remove the accounts on your credit reports yet. So if you have not tried to do these different things yet, your credit score is going to be very, very low, which means that you're going to most likely get approvals from companies that's going to try to charge you a high fee in terms of your annual fee and maintenance fees. And we don't want that. I would rather you guys get a secure credit card with Navy Federal, Discover, and Capital One. Those are the top three to go to, and then find a credit union in your area or whatever bank you bank with. Get a secure credit card with them because they most likely don't have an annual fee. And then some of them can give you cash back and rewards, like the Discover credit card can give you rewards. But Discover do not like a bankruptcy on your credit report. So if you're going to apply for it, I would suggest you remove that bankruptcy first before you apply, or just move on with another company and keep asking Discover to let you in. And every month, just keep asking as you increase your credit score. And whenever they say yes, you get in there. Okay. Think about that with a lot of these credit cards, especially when you're in a process of trying to repair your credit after you messed it up. Now, there's going to be some factors that's going to go into you actually getting approved. So your credit score, the higher your credit score is, you guys, the greater chance you have getting approved. So make sure going forward after your bankruptcy, you paying everything on time. Think of this as a new chance at life. You're not messing up anymore, paying everything on time, everything on auto pay. You're not going to get any credit cards that you're not going to pay. You're just going to make sure that you have everything in order. Also, your income. Depending on your income, certain lenders are going to look at your debt to income ratio, and they're going to consider if you got enough money to pay these debts that you're trying to basically get. And then they want to ensure that your bankruptcy has been fully discharged or closed before you apply for credit. So this is something that you can check on also. And then they want to see that you have demonstrated some current financial habits that's showing that you have great behavior when it comes down to credit. Again, you're not maxing out your credit cards when you finally get them. You're making everything on time. You're paying everything on time, and you're not getting to the point where your debt to income ratio is just out of control. Now, the next thing is you guys have to know like the steps to take before applying for credit. If I were you all, I would check my credit reports. Anything that's on there that's reporting inaccurately and is negative, I'm working to get those things removed, including the bankruptcy. A lot of times they're not reporting the bankruptcies correctly. So that'd be another thing I know I need to get off of there. So I would do that, remove any negative accounts. I will apply for new credit. I always tell people to have 4 credit cards and 2 installment accounts. So again, if I have to do it all over again, I'm going to have this bankruptcy on my credit reports. I'm going to try to go for secure credit cards that's going to graduate to an unsecured credit card. I'll just put that money down on it, like Capital One, Navy Federal, and Discover. Those will be my top 3 I'm going to go with. And then if I need more credit cards, I'll think about Open Sky, and then I'll think about the credit builder card. But I'm going to show you all my website so that you guys can see how to navigate it, because I have all these credit cards on there so you can actually check it and get 2 installment accounts. If you already got student loans, that can help you. If you already got a car reporting, that can help you. But you could technically, if you know you need to get another vehicle because you gave your vehicle, whatever the situation could have been for your bankruptcy, maybe you can get another vehicle that can report to the credit bureaus. But I would suggest you guys wait. Don't get one so soon. I would suggest that you all wait to actually get the car when you get your credit score up, or try to see if you can get a co-signer for that. But you can also do like personal loans. Navy Federal got their pledge loan. These are the different things that you can actually do. And this is things that I'm suggesting. And then make sure that you guys consult with a credit counselor and save money for emergencies. Look into Dave Ramsey. I like credit, but I still love Dave Ramsey in terms of debt. Having debt around is not a good thing, because you don't want to get yourself back in the same situation. So look into Dave Ramsey to look at some different things you can do to save money and actually make sure you don't go back into debt. Now, for those people this is your first time watching my videos, I definitely want to show you all my website. So on my website, I have a lot of stuff that's catering to those people that need to build their credit, who don't have credit at all, or if you need to repair your credit, or if you're just looking to maybe just get higher limits. You don't necessarily need to build it. You just want higher limit credit cards, or whatever it is when it comes down to credit cards and like the negative accounts to your credit. That is what I cater to on my website. Now, you guys can schedule a call on my website. You can see if I have any upcoming events that I'm doing. You can do a home buying application if you would like me to help you purchase a home, and also home tours. Check out some of the home tours that I did. If you guys have any negative accounts on your credit report, such as charge-offs, collections, bankruptcies, I do have a dispute letter that you can use here. It's free. I do have a dispute letter that you all can download so that you guys can work to remove those negative accounts from your credit report. Now, you have to get this letter and send it to all 3 credit bureaus, or send it to whatever credit bureau is reporting that account. So definitely come to my website. Once you fill out this, you guys will get an email, and then also I'll send you something about how you can increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. So definitely check that out. If you have negative accounts and you want to actually target them, such as you got late payments, student loans, collections, charge-off, bankruptcies, then I have dispute letter packages. These letters have 6 letters in it, and the bankruptcy is the only one that have the 4. But this is the letters. These are letters that you guys can use to start removing those negative accounts from your credit reports. And it's only $27 for a package of 6 letters. In a little bit, though, I'll show you how you can possibly get this at a discounted rate. Also, utilization sheets. I always show people how to balance out their credit cards, and I have a utilization sheet here where you can track all your credit cards. You can know what your utilization is, and it's going to actually help you pay down your credit cards. If you guys have balances on your credit cards, you need to know how to actually pay it down, which ones to pay down first. This sheet would be great for you all. If you guys are looking to possibly get more hands-on help, you would like to talk to me, you want more access to me, then I do suggest that you guys get my membership. I make sure I take calls for those people that's in my membership as a priority. I do have one where you start with a $1 trial, and that is going to be $79 per month. And then also have one for $99, and then it's going to be $29 per month. Or you can get lifetime access for $599. So definitely, if you want to get more hands-on help, and then also I can email you your letters that you can actually mail, and then I also can mail them for free on my end. Definitely join the membership if you want more hands-on help. Now, this right here is like my favorite part. It's the credit cards. I have multiple lists of credit cards here. So if you're looking for just the top credit cards that I like, I have that list here. If you want to pre-qualify for a credit card without a hard inquiry, I have this here. So you guys can pre-qualify for a credit card without a hard inquiry. And this would have over 45 accounts. Since this is my favorite list, because I love to pre-qualify for things without that hard inquiry, I'm going to show you a little bit of what it looks like. So you'll see a video of whatever card it is, an image of that card, apply now. So you can go ahead and apply on a website, and also have a free downloadable guide, and I have information about the card. And it's going to repeat for multiple cards. So you can see which ones you definitely like, which ones are going to help you in your journey of building your credit, or even whatever credit you want to get. Now, I have multiple lists: bad credit, students, travel, to build credit, gas, rewards, cash back. I have multiple ones there. I also have the 5 ways to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. The webinar, you can just click directly on here and you will be able to, again, if you already did those free disputes, because this is the thing I said, the 60 points in 60 days, the webinar that you can watch. If you already did that, once you put your information in here, you should go all the way back to the actual webinar. Now, a lot of people love this part, 6 months of free letters. I can actually do your letters for you, 6 months worth of them, and I can actually email them to you and fill out all your information. All you have to do is literally put them in an envelope and mail them. So I definitely have that for you. If you want the 6 months of free letters, this is something that you have to do if you want me to create the letters for you. First off, you have to get our mega dispute letter package. All that is all of the letters that's here. Like all these packages, you get bankruptcy, charge-off, collections, student loans, and late payments. You get all of these together in one. You're going to get the free letter that's here, plus you're going to get additional letters, all of that. And I believe the original price is $199, but you're getting 65% off of that. I think it comes like $67, $69. So definitely you have to purchase the mega dispute letter package. Do a 14-day trial with Aura so we can see if you guys have any type of fraud on your account. You need to be able to know if you had any type of data breaches. So definitely sign up for Aura, and all the links are here. So you can just click right here or click here. It doesn't matter. But definitely do step 2. And then step 3 is get your all 3 credit reports by Identity IQ. And it's a $1 trial for 7 days. And that's going to give us your credit report so that we can create the actual dispute letters for you. And then also the last, second to last step is to actually complete the application. That's what's going to give us the personal information I need to put on your letters. So definitely complete that application. And then once you have made your purchase, reach out to us so that we can see if you're eligible for the free letter service. But as long as you did all 4 of these steps, you're definitely eligible for it. And then I have a lot of different blog posts on here about the different credit 101, home buying 101 is going to come next. So definitely check out the website, Rakita.com. I will be editing the website soon, but this is what it looks like now. If you guys are interested in any credit card, you guys can definitely use this search bar here. And then also, if you're on your computer, then you can search. Actually, if you're a member already, you can search right here. I got special things for people that's a part of my actual membership. So if they want me to send certified letters, pay past due bills, schedule a call, for free credit help, sign up. Again, here are the steps that you need to actually do. So yeah, that's what you'll do if you guys are a member. Or say if you want a specific credit card you want to look up, just search whatever that credit card is, and you can see if I made some type of review on it. So here's the Apple card here. I'm going to click on it. Scroll down, you see I got the video, the card here, apply now, free downloadable guide. And then I also have some people that actually got approved for the credit card. I have some other reviews here. But I hope that you guys love this website and you're able to find more credit cards to get approved for. You start working to build your credit and you get exactly what you want out of your credit. And last thing I want to say about my wonderful website is if you like a certain credit card, at the bottom, I'll have similar cards. These are the cards to me that's similar to the Apple card. So you can see I have similar ones down here. So you can go ahead and actually click on it and go to that next credit card. So this is the cashback card. And you can see other people say that they got approved for it. So I hope that you guys love this website. You can go into a rabbit hole looking at all the different things that's on this website, but I hope that you guys love it, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Have a great day.